Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to go live on TikTok without 1K followers. So let's dive in. First, launch the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right side of the screen. Now tap on the three straight lines on the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the end to find the Report a Problem option and tap on it. On the next page, tap on the Feed and Playback option and choose the Feed option. Now select the Other option. Next, tap on Need More Help? Write a personal report that explains why you want to go live on TikTok, how you have a large audience on other platforms, and how you want to grow on TikTok by doing live streams. Customize the message with your own situation and social media stats. Submit the report and wait for TikTok to enable the live function for you. Please note that this method is not guaranteed to work, but it can improve your chances of going live. Once you're approved, you can start streaming live on TikTok. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.